With a half-inch drill only, you can easily fix the P0430 error code by yourself. P0430 means your catalyst system efficiency below threshold near engine bank 2, which indicates that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently, so the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. If you are getting a P0430 error code, this video is going to show you a practical solution to fix the error code at home. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter and fix P0430 by putting some extra space between the sensor and the converter. First, get a spark plug non-fouler, and then use a half-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, the spark plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor. Put them together and put them back on the catalytic converter. If you find refitting the component is too complicated, you can also get some parts like oxygen sensor extender or oxygen sensor socket to create that space. So here is a practical solution to fix the P0430 error code. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.